I know it's been over a year since my last video, but I've been busy gathering something incredible to share with you. Do you want to know how we turned a $15,000 drone project into $120,000 of real value? And I'm not talking theory here. This is a real project we completed up at the University of Wyoming. Quick question for you. How many of you are still competing on price for your drone services? Because what I'm about to share might just change your entire business model. Let me paint you a picture. The University of Wyoming came to us with a challenge: 65 buildings needing roof inspections. Now, traditionally, this meant sending teams of workers up on roofs for 6 weeks. Harnesses, safety equipment, the whole 9 yards. Pretty scary stuff, right? Here's where it gets interesting. We approached this differently. Instead of just offering a cheaper drone inspection, we dug deeper into what the university really needed. You know what we discovered? They weren't just buying a roof inspection. They were investing in safety, efficiency, and better data. Let me break down our solution because this is where the magic happens. We brought in our DJI M3T, an absolute workhorse, by the way, with its thermal camera. But here's the key. It's not about the drone. It's about what you do with it. I'm a certified thermographer, so I was going to analyze every bit of that data. And here's something really cool. We partnered with our nonprofit, Neurodiversity Works, to bring in students as visual observers. Not only did they add value to this project and get paid, but it gave these students real-world experience in the drone industry. How awesome is that? Now check this out. In just 6 days, we found 33 potential water leaks that no one knew about, 12 major spots where insulation was failing, 3 HVAC issues that were wasting energy, and 8 structural concerns that needed immediate attention. But here's where things get really interesting. Let's talk numbers. And I want you to really think about this approach. We started with our base costs, $15,000. Equipment, time, expertise. Then we added a 30% performance bonus because quality work deserves quality pay, right? But here's the game changer. We included a 15% value share based on what the client saved. Think about that for a second. We're not just charging for our time, we're partnering in their success. You want to know what this meant for the university? They're saving $25,000 in safety costs. By eliminating the need for workers to physically access roofs, we've removed the risk of falls and injuries, which means lower insurance premiums and 0 worker compensation claims. We saved them $20,000 in labor efficiency. Instead of taking 6 weeks with multiple teams doing manual inspections, we completed the entire project in just 6 days, freeing up their maintenance staff for other critical tasks. We also saved them $35,000 in prevention. Those 33 water leaks we found, by catching them early, we prevented structural damage, motor remediation, and interior repairs that typically cost thousands of dollars per incident. And last, we saved them $15,000 in liability reduction. No more need for expensive safety equipment rentals, liability insurance for roof access, or specialized training for height work. Plus, they have documented proof of their proactive maintenance approach. And here's where things really get exciting. These savings aren't just one-time benefits. The university can now reallocate these funds to other facility improvements, creating a compound effect on their maintenance budget. Now you might be thinking, that's great, Jason, but my clients won't pay for value. Well, let me tell you what the facilities director said. He told me this wasn't just about a drone inspection. This is transforming how we maintain our buildings. See, here's what most drone operators miss. Clients don't buy drone services. They buy solutions to problems. When you can show them the real value, price becomes secondary to results. Let me say that again. Price becomes secondary to results. Listen. I've put everything I've learned about this approach into our new ebook, Drone Services 2025, Your Blueprint to High Value Success. And I want to make this super accessible for you. So you've got 2 options. Option 1, grab the ebook right now for $50. That's less than what most of us charge for an hour of drone work. Option 2, and this one's my favorite. Join our drone mentoring community for $20 a month. Not only do you get the ebook, but you're joining a family of drone professionals who are all working to level up their businesses. We share ideas, solve problems together, and help each other grow. But before you go, hit that like button if you found this valuable, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got so much more coming this year. Drop a comment letting me know which part of this case study surprised you the most. Now remember, success in this industry isn't just about having the fanciest drone. It's about solving real problems and capturing real value. This is Jason Sansucci with the Do You Know Drones podcast, and as always, keep flying smart and pricing smarter. We'll see you in the next one.